That's so the emus don't get out.
Sí, señor. Chivos no afuera.
God, dude, this thing's going buck wild, dude. Hey. Whoa! After 4 hours of traveling, we've made it to the Everglades. It's beautiful. Look at the alligator. Oh! These fish don't even know what's coming. It's beautiful. Oh my God! Oh! That! No way! That! All right. Look at them.
Another copper.
Today's video is sponsored by DraftKings. You know, I've made some bets on the big game last year. Made some money. This year for the big game, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Speaking of betting, if you're a new customer and you bet just $5 on the big game, you will instantly get $200 in bonus bets deposited into your account. Now, what can you use $200 in bonus bets on, huh? Try same game parlays, where you can combine multiple bets for one game. Like which team will have the most passing yards. Absolutely yeeted that thing. Or even who will score the first touchdown of the night for even bigger winnings. Now, if mobile sports betting is not yet available in your state, don't worry. You can still hop in on all the fun with DraftKings Daily Fantasy. It makes watching sports way more fun, and DraftKings has so many ways to do that. Download DraftKings Sportsbook app now. New customers use promo code Cuffaro. Bet just $5 on the big game, and you will get $200 deposited instantly in bonus bets. That is promo code Cuffaro only on DraftKings Sportsbook. Go bet on the big game just like myself. Oh my God. Oh! What is going on, fellas? Welcome back to another video. We're out here in the Everglades. Got my buddy Griffin here with me.
What's up?
And we're gonna try to cast net a bunch of species out here. Maybe even trap some stuff. To be honest, just do some crazy Everglades stuff. See what species we can find. We just drove from like literally 7 a.m. to Griffin's, from Griffin's to here. It is now 11 a.m. After 4 hours of traveling, we've made it to the Everglades. It's beautiful. Look at the alligator. Say we go swimming with them. You down?
Yeah, I'll watch you.
Okay, cool. We took the zombie mobile here. This thing literally can go through a zombie apocalypse. Look at that stance. He's got that stance down. You bent the net. Oh, 100% got him. No way.
I'm telling you, they're cool.
Wow. So not only myself, but Griffin is also making a video while we're here on his YouTube channel. So after this one, you guys could definitely go over to his channel and watch that. He's learning. He just started his YouTube channel, and I can't wait to see what he's gonna do over there. So make sure to go subscribe to him. We got a cast net. Let's do this. The scenery here is incredible. I mean, it's just like straight marshland, alligator, python infested area. Took us like 4 hours to get here. So we're in the middle of absolute nowhere. Oh my God. Oh. Okay. Okay. What the fuck? We didn't catch anything there. We need to move spots. There's an alligator right there. You see him? Right there. He's going under now. This water is crystal clear. We are here at the next location where we see an alligator.
Oh, right on a bass too. Oh, a bunch of fish.
No. Just missed him.
Dude, an inch. I see him. Coming? You got it. Money.
Did you get him?
Money.
This is the hardest cast netting I've ever done.
Let's see what's on the other side.
This water is extremely clear. There's nothing like this anywhere else in the entire world. I mean, it's crystal clear. It almost looks like there's no water. I went left, they went right. Oh. I think we're gonna change the title of this video. Attempting to cast net gar. We've done like, gator's coming, the gator's. That big boy gator right there.
He's got a fat head, dude.
All right. This is the spot. Griffin says that it's gonna happen. It's happening here. These fish don't even know what's coming. Right there.
There's tons of them.
Dude, imagine I just run full speed off the dirt road. Straight to... They're all like, oh my God.
I bet 90% of these people have never even seen a gator in the wild.
No, yeah.
They're coming in for the first time and they just...
I'm just running full speed on the dirt road, jump straight to the alligator. I got one, finally.
No. Did you? Nice job.
Did you really?
Nice job.
Look at that. A copper bluegill.
Wow.
That thing has cool colors.
Now we cook it and eat it for dinner. See you, bud. Oh, it's solid.
Yeah, bluegill. Big. Hey, guys, I know you've never seen one of those. Really rare fish here in Florida.
It was good. Oh, I got one. Oh, bass.
No way.
Dude, two of them. Dude.
Those things are healthy.
I smacked two of them. That's sick.
2 largies? Dude.
Did you see my cast?
Yeah,
Oh, it wasn't even stuck
that was
in the net.
zesty, dude.
Dude, they are fat. They are fat.
All right.
Look at the stomach on that thing.
Tuck your elbow.
Here, hold it out, Griffin. Big fish. Look at the belly on that thing.
Yeah, he's healthy.
Oh, you got him. You got him.
What is that? Oh, it's a bluegill.
Oh, and it's tilapia.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Yep, another copper.
Yep.
Look at that.
Dude, these are so cool. And then we also got a spotted tilapia.
I love tilapia.
Me too.
They're so cool.
So we're catching all sorts of native species here. Although, I don't know if the spotted tilapia is native. I could be wrong. I know these are game fish. If you kill these, you're in big trouble, mister. See you, bud. We are back from the Everglades, and we have a whole group of friends to help us out with this emu transfer here. We're about to get all the emus into their new enclosure. Now, there was a process that went behind getting this enclosure ready for the emus. These used to be 3 bars. We had to change them all to 4. 4 bars all the way around. Used to look like that. Now it looks like this. That's so the emus don't get out.
Sí, señor. Chivos no afuera.
Yes.
Quedaron adentro.
Exactly. 4 bars. And Dave is covering up the well with a little makeshift box so they can't trip over it. Instead, they'll probably run into it. They're very klutzy animals. We had to change all those to 4. Now we're set. We got all the fence around the whole entire enclosure, 4 bars, and like 5.5 feet tall. So, by the words of Ben, Urban Rescue Ranch, and Blake, Exotic Animal Ranch, they both told me I should be good with the way the fence is now. I'm gonna take that with pride because those are 2 emu pros. Let's get our emus in. Griffin's back. We also have my boy Gio here. Gio, TJ turns his back because he's camera shy, it's fine. So what we gotta do is feed the goats first. Get the goats to the side. Time to move these emus. There you go, bro.
Hey.
Whoa!
This way. Yeah, walking that way. There you go.
Walking that way.
No, walking that way.
God, dude, this thing's going buck wild, dude.
I was ready to block it off.
Whoa! Holy smokes, dude.
That was nice.
That thing's gnarly.
That was nice.
One of the books, baby. That's one
I
of the
vote
books.
though that the next one needs to be walked in.
He's already marked his territory.
It was way cooler when we walked it in. It didn't go as planned, but it was so
It didn't go as planned at all.
I don't like the way he's looking at me.
Just hold his legs with me.
Oh, he's gonna attack my face, I think, dude.
Oh! He pooped.
I let you down right there.
Thank God he did foot.
I let you down right there.
Well,
Dude,
I got it done.
he was about to bite me while we were walking him. I don't know if he was
Took a nice
and I was
poop on the lid.
good job, guys. That was some hard work.
My hand, dude. Gotta feed the family of pigs here. Hi, everyone. It is a beautiful afternoon. The weather is so nice right now. It's like 75 degrees. Woo! Whole family squatted. You know, eventually we'll get this trench out of the yard and more power into the building so we can finally get the stuff going on in here. Speaking about in here, I've got a lot of updates. Some of the aquariums are completely empty. We have a really cool project coming. That's why a couple of these aquariums are empty. Obviously, George is still here. The axolotl tank is empty. I've been doing a lot of work off camera. This is where the axolotls are now. Check that out. It looks absolutely amazing. And as you can see, all the axolotls are literally right there. I plan to get some cool stuff for this aquarium. Turn the lights off. I don't really like stress them out unless I'm filming or in here looking at them. Doing lots of water changes, and I got a new water system on the house. So the water is crystal clear now. Look at the cichlid pond. It looks like a dang ocean. It's so clear. I mean, literally insane clarity now. this is what all the tanks are gonna look like. The mantis shrimp and the starfish I brought back to Andy's place. I've got both the chocolate chip stars in there. And the reason I'm giving Andy my chocolate chip starfish as well is because one, obviously they'll find a great home, and two, these eat coral, so I couldn't transfer them into the big saltwater tank like I did the other stuff. And the mantis shrimp, if he doesn't find someone that wants it, I will grab that once I open up a space for this tank to go back in. But I'm doing a really cool project behind me. We also got the gem tank back and all that stuff back as well. So a lot has gone down. Even the flower horn, I moved over to here. It looks fake, like actually. Isn't that one of the craziest fish? Look at the new aquarium, and more on this, of course, in another video. I'm just giving you guys a brief update on what everything's going on here. But this is gonna be like a little opening hatch, and he's gonna be over here just in this beautiful tank where it's all blacked out and he really just pops. And I put the snapping turtle right in here. Look at you. Hey, buddy. So there's where the snapping turtle is, and as you can see, love's going up on the bank. Got a little tank here. Everything else is good. This tank is still getting medicated. We have not lost any more fish than what I told you. Unfortunately, some of the red tails, like that red tail right there, doesn't look the greatest. Everything else looks good though. The Oscars are good, the iridescent catfish, the pacu. Everything looks good besides two of the red tails. Still being medicated. I have done a water change. I've been doing constant Pond Master test kits, literally right there. I've been doing constant tests on this. It has been a very, very big headache, but you know, I guess that comes with owning a 5,500 gallon aquarium. So everything but the starfish and the snowflake eel came out of that and went into the big saltwater tank inside. Axolotls are obviously over there. George, right here, still kicking. Stud, what a stud. Fly River is healthy and happy, eating his little wafers. And the mantis shrimp is at Andy's shop for now. And the flower horn moved from there to there. I think that's everything. Glad we're all on the same page. Let's feed Cornelius. Come on, Cornelius. He's an actual, oh my gosh. Ow! Oh! Oh! Cornelius, wait a second. Ow! He got it! He got it, dude, look at him. Oh, he's fired up. Holy moly, frozen mouse. Absolutely down that thing. There we go, got the leaf out. What an absolute stud. There it goes. We rescued that frog from an Asian food market and it literally has not left this tub. The first couple days it did, it hasn't left since. Knock on, no, you know what? Cornelius can roam this house all he wants. Thank you so much for watching, Cuffaros, and guess what? See you in the next one. Peace!